The key is inside you to open your